I wanted to ask you, as somebody who's carried your mother's legacy forward and built the brand more, तुम आई हो तो your mother finally decided to, आप तो बहुत आराम से अपना काम कर रही थी and you decide, she picked it up and made it bigger, better. So how inspired were you by your mother when you were younger?
When I was younger, I was so inspired by my mom because my mother she's learned professionally how to cut, stitch clothes herself. And I remember as children, whenever we go for summer holidays or whatever to the US, at that time you couldn't get much variety here. So she would buy dresses for me, and she would buy bedding and all of this stuff. Then she would replicate it. Like if we had 5 rooms in our house, one would get a bedding set from abroad, and my mom used to stitch the frills, the everything, the pillowcases.
अच्छा, आप उसमें ऐड कर लेती थी चीजें?
No, new ones.
अच्छा.
Because they weren't available here. And dresses for me from scratch. Like, she would get one sample one, and then she would stitch more like that. Yeah.
You know how to stitch.
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
how to
yeah,
stitch.
yeah.
एंड ईद पे स्पेशली मुझे ईद का बड़ा शौक है, मैं सारे कमरों में नई बेड शीट्स डालती थी.
And used to make my clothes also.
इसके क्लोथ्स भी
ईद के कपड़े. अच्छा.
ओह माय गॉड, इतना मुझे मजा आता था. बेटों का तो ये है कि शलवार कमीज अपनी
उनके नहीं, आप खुद बनाती थी?
नहीं, उनके नहीं मैं सीती थी, बट इसके तो कभी गरारा बना रही हूँ बकरा ईद पे,
और
कभी
उन पे एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी ना खुद. She used to put it in her frame.
Actually मुझे
and I remember kabhi I used to have shadow work on my clothes done by herself.
Because I love to, and I know शादी से पहले ये क्लासेस ली थी एम्ब्रॉयडरी की, so I know. फिर मैं इसकी सारी चीजें बना के जब ये, and she was very pretty when she was young.
She still is very pretty. She's still very pretty.
Like a doll.
नहीं
डॉल की तरह मैं इसको प्रिपेयर करती थी. एंड मुझे याद है कि वो जब मैं कपड़े बनाती थी उसमें क्या था, कैन
अच्छा,
कैन होता था, उससे फ्रॉक ऐसे फूली भी होती थी, और ये तैयार होके बैठ.
अच्छा, ये पहन भी लेती थी ना, खुशी पहन लेती थी.
My mom used to say to me, if I didn't used to wear it, because she used to also make me little skirt sets with little blazers, and she used to say to me, you look just like Lady Diana. This is Lady Diana on TV. You look just like her. She's so stylish. And I remember even when she died, I remember that day because my mom cried so much, So I remember she used to inspire me that you have to wear these little skirt suits because with a collar coming out from underneath, because that will make you look like Lady Diana.
Cute. अच्छा, तो she used to inspire you, लेकिन ये सब मुश्किल काम है, कपड़े की समझ.
So
मुझे अभी तक ये मुश्किल नहीं लगता. मुझे भी किसमें एक शौक बहुत था, उसके साथ किया, एंड फिर मैनेज कर, और फिर मुझे वर्कर्स बड़े अच्छे थे, बहुत अच्छे. यकीन करें, शुरू से जो मेरे साथ है स्टार्टिंग में, वो अभी तक है.
स्टार्टिंग आपकी जब ये थोड़ी बड़ी हुई तब हुई?
Yeah, she was in metric.
No.
She was in O level. Sorry.
Yeah.
O levels.
But my brother basically who was not here, then my younger brother and myself had just left for university, had gone to New York. And my mom felt like her whole time schedule had freed up, and so she finally pursued
और फिर आपने प्रोफेशनली?
फिर मैंने स्टार्ट किया. मैंने एक कारीगर को बुलाया, मैंने कहा आप मेरे साथ काम करोगे? She said yes. उसने इतने कम प्राइस बताई, मैंने उसको ज्यादा करके दी. मैंने कहा मेरे पास वीकली काम करो. फिर वो एक और लेके आया. Then one tailor बुलाया, तो it was 5-6
tailor also. I remember my mom used to stand and do the cutting and show him कि ऐसे cut.
I love to do cutting and stitching.
हाँ, because you understand it ना. तो वो आप उसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं, हर स्टेज में इन्वॉल्व हैं. आप सिर्फ स्केच करके आप बताएंगी नहीं, आप देखेंगी.
अलावा मैं घर में भी बड़ा इन्वॉल्व रहती हूँ.
अच्छा, लेकिन आपने बहुत टाइम तक उसको एक स्मॉल स्केल पे रखा, जितना आप मैनेज कर सकती थी विद लाइफ. द वे आई रिमेंबर, जब पहली बार मैं आपसे मिली थी, मैं आपके घर की बेसमेंट में ही मिली थी, और वो बड़ा हैपनिंग फरहा तालिब अजीज का आउटलेट था, वहाँ भी बड़ा रश होता था.
माशाल्लाह.
बट यू हैड दिस वन ऑन बोर्ड देन, and she had plans.
And my mom, I do have to say that she is a real, like, she has a great vision. in the sense that I always said to her, Mom, why aren't we opening in Bukhari? All the designers are there and it's the place to be. She said no. And this is before the floods
No.
and everything.
Acha.
She said the infrastructure there is so bad. And we're going to open in a new commercial area where they have good roads and good infrastructure, and we're going to make a purpose-built building from scratch, and then you watch, because if you open in a newer space that has more luxury, everybody will move there. And I used to be like, this is in the middle of nowhere. Nobody's gonna
फेज 8 ओज यू फेज 8 कमर्शियल जो है ना
No, I
उन्हें
think-
आपको थोड़ी कमीशन देनी चाहिए आप ओपन थी एक्सपेंशन को कि मलिहा ने आपसे कहा कि नहीं मॉम वी हैव टू गो बिगर वी शुड
Yeah,
ओपन अप अ स्टोर
मलिहा।
है ना ये आई है एंड
फर्स्ट मेरे बेसमेंट में होता
हाँ हाँ
मैं वहां से भी नहीं हिलना चाहती थी। इसने कहा नहीं मामा एक तो ले लें। देन मैंने
opened on
एक
East East.
ये East
हाँ
East लिया।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
वर्कशॉप
Yeah.
एक तो ओपन कर ले वर्कशॉप, फिर मैंने वो वर्कशॉप ओपन किया, देन दूसरा, तो फिर तो इस तरह।
And I remember when we were opening our Lahore store, I remember being so like intimidated, and I was like, "Oh, this is going to be so tough. Mama.
New
How are we
city.
gonna do that?"
Yes.
But then I
लगता है
remember
ऐसा।
when we were opening our store in the US in Houston, and my mom was like, "Don't worry. If God has led us to this, then He wants us to be here, and what's the worst that'll happen?" So she's a much bigger risk taker than I am. I think I'm more conservative like that. But
अल्लाह का शुक्र है।
but I do have to tell you, like, my mom runs a very tight, strict shift, and we are all here, alhamdulillah, on time every day.
अच्छा
And even though like a lot of places don't, we work, my brother and I and my mom, we are here 6 days a week. And
60.
and at the workshop, so she's really taught us how to be persistent in her.
You saw her creating clothes and you saw her hobby and then you saw your mother build her business. You were much younger. You saw it grow. तो तुम इंस्पायर ही हुई कि तुम्हें मुश्किल काम लगा क्योंकि
The way my mom does it,
हाँ
she's right that she doesn't find it difficult because she enjoys it so much. Still, in the sense, like, she loves being around her team. And I would even say, like, everybody in the office, you should see when it's her birthday, every floor will celebrate it in a different way,
Mashallah.
and then we'll have a big celebration. All the workers from the workshop, everybody at my mom's house, so you can see the love,
Such a
because
nice people. workers.
she's more like a friendly family with them,
Because पहले जब
while being strict as well.
हाँ काम तो करना है ना काम तो करना
काम तो करना है, लेकिन जब मेरे वर्कशॉप में नीचे बेसमेंट में वर्क होता था, मैं तो खाना वाना खा के उनके साथ बैठ जाती थी,
So she used to sit
बातें भी कर
there
रही हूँ,
all
ये
day.
वो ऑल डे। ये इनकी ट्यूशंस होती थी, ये चले जाते थे। सो आई एंजॉयड रियली।
Yeah,
And
and when we
Malia,
were
but-
all three away
Huh.
at university,
Oh.
mom used to, like, she would be like, no, they're my family.
Then
and
मैंने काफी टाइम दिया अपने को, बहुत ज्यादा। जब ये लोग बाहर थे
yeah.
तो फिर बहुत मजा अच्छा लगा, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
ब्राइडल के अलावा your other big passion is also
It's
lawn,
like
right?
an exam when the design team has to show it to my mom, even though she's involved in every process, like color, embroidery, this,
Huh.
that. But when they have to show it, everybody, including myself, were so scared that, oh my god, she's going to reject
अच्छा,
it. And
तुम-
she's brutal.
अच्छा
नहीं, क्योंकि देखिए लॉन से कोई लेता है तो उसको उनको सही चीज मिलनी चाहिए,
So premium quality, she'll be so strict about ऐसी embroidery नहीं, ये
हाँ.
color नहीं, ये material नहीं, no, I won't wear it. Gone. I do lead the design vision and the design team, but it all has to be passed through.
अच्छा ये
And
मेन आपकी
Yeah, again, because her
checks and
expertise are more than
balances.
mine.
Yeah.
So every cut is asked. We always say, like, can we use this material? Can we do this? So there's a lot of permission that goes into it.
या मटेरियल्स।
I know you are very committed to material. ये तो मेरी और मलिहा की बहुत बार बात हुई भी है।
Oh my
हाँ।
god।
Challenges that you faced as a mother back then compared to the challenges that she faces now, past or present के हम challenges compare करें।
What were the challenges you faced with us?
It was not that different. It's my elder son was very hyper.
अच्छा
He's a very good student, all A's and this, but he was hyper. Every day
Naughty.
I complain. Mrs. Mujahid मुझे बुला लेती थी and oh my God, it was tough. It was tough. And they both
the younger ones were good
they
children.
very
yeah,
good
yeah.
children. तो वो भी टफ था और आजकल भी टफ है. आजकल
यानी पढ़ाई टफ थी क्या आप ये कह रही हैं? नोटी बच्चे टफ थे?
नॉटी बच्चे.
नहीं ये अच्छा ये बताएं, उस ज़माने में इतनी वर्किंग विमेन नहीं होती थी और आपने वर्क शुरू किया था, उस ज़माने में इतना नॉर्मल नहीं था कि विमेन वुड बी वर्किंग थ्रू एंड थ्रू. क्या ये एक डिफ़िकल्ट था मैनेज करना कि आपका फैमिली सेटअप उस पर एडजस्ट कर गया था आराम से?
कोई इतना डिफिकल्ट था मेरे लिए बिकॉज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन माय हस्बैंड वाज वेरी कोऑपरेटिव.
हाँ, he was supportive?
वेरी सपोर्टिव.
आपने स्टार्ट भी तो घर की बेसमेंट में किया. यू स्टार्टेड स्मॉल.
नहीं घर के हाँ मैंने बहुत छोटे से शुरू किया. लेट्स से मेरे पास 7 वर्कर्स थे.
हाँ.
तो वो इनफैक्ट इसमें मेरे भाई एक हैं जी, आई लव हिम.
He would encourage you all the time.
या वो बहुत इनकरेज करते थे. तो इस तरह मैंने स्टार्ट किया. सो इट वाज ये कि अब बच्चे बहुत दे वांट्स देयर मदर ऑल द टाइम.
हाँ.
इनफैक्ट मैं छोटे को कभी ये बिजी होती तो मैं लेने भी चली जाती हूँ तो ये आस्क वेयर्स माय मॉम.
हाँ.
दे आर सो यंग बट
छोटे भी है ना.
छोटे.
I feel like now things are different in the sense that there's a lot of mom guilt and there's a lot of I feel like a lot of people judge us, but you know you want to be there of course for your children, but like sometimes if there's a play date at 2 p.m. in the
You
afternoon,
can't do
you
it.
can't do it.
Huh.
Or at 4 p.m. But you try your best as much as you can to be there for the children. And also I feel like now it's an Instagram life and you feel like, oh, I should have made a better costume. I should have decorated this basket better. I should have, you know, I feel like if you don't put in that 100% with a child and you see it all over your feed, you're like, oh no, you know, I didn't take this as seriously as I should have. Although the child is having a great time, you know, the child couldn't be bothered whether you put 8 hours to decorate their basket or 1 hour. They're so happy that you put that time in with them, you know.
हाँ. लेकिन
And
फिर
then all
भी
of that, but there's a lot of involvement for parents.
there's a
on
lot of
screen and off screen.
pressure on
There's a lot
social
of
media.
pressure. I
हाँ.
don't remember our parents ever taking that.
ये सोशल मीडिया है ना, सारी पिक्चर्स फेसबुक पे इंस्टाग्राम पे आती हैं. यू फील द प्रेशर, यू वांट टू डू योर बेस्ट फॉर योर चाइल्ड. लॉन का भी चैलेंज तुमने लिया
Yeah,
है?
actually, it's still the biggest challenge.
हाँ because
Because how are you supposed to make one design that someone who's 16 and someone who's 60 all like it? The color, the design, you know, the print on the dupatta, everything. How is it?
And how do you keep it cost effective?
Yeah.
And how do you maintain quality? How do you bring about changes?
And make
अब
sure.
तो और मुश्किल हो गया.
हाँ.
Everything is so expensive कि उसको उस तरह रखना और प्राइस भी कम रखना.
पता है वैसे ये तो क्लिप पे नहीं आएगा, लेकिन मेरी लॉन की फेवरेट कॉन्वर्सेशंस हर साल इसके साथ होती हैं बिकॉज ये इतनी मुझे डिटेल में बताती है कि देखो ये हमने इसलिए यूँ किया और इसलिए एंड इट्स लाइक वाओ यू नो there's so much science, there's science to learn.
Yeah.
And you have to make sure that if last year the bestsellers you had, you learned nothing from that because you can't repeat any of that this year, right? Because then
Yeah,
people will be like,
you
similar
can't do
like that.
repetition.
So then what do you do?
हाँ, from doing bespoke. देखो शुरू काम तो customized wedding wear से हुआ था. Now you have lawn, you have ready to wear, you have bespoke bridals, Lahore, Karachi, USA, and exhibits.
And you have
Yeah.
to make sure that along with that you have quality control.
Quality.
So how are you supposed to check every single thing?
I have to.
तो ये quantities
My
कौन
mom
manage करता
will
है?
do all the workshops, check in the racks, and then
Oh,
tell them,
God.
look at this. Last time you did this tarpai like this, and then I told you off, and now again
मलिया
you have
ये और ये जब प्रोडक्शन क्वांटिटीज बढ़ी हैं तुमने स्टार्ट किया ये
I
प्रोसेस.
think it started slowly, like you know, as a team. But you see,
आप कितना कोई रख ले जो ये देख के अब वहाँ पे मेरे पास लेके आए you know.
manage us.
आपको खुद इन्वॉल्व होना पड़ता है एंड द वंडरफुल थिंग इज यू हैव योर चिल्ड्रन सो योर चिल्ड्रन आर एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ यू तो अगर आप नहीं भी देख रही तो यू नो कि somebody you trust 110% is there एक सवाल आई नो बहुत आप बिजी होने वाली
We
हैं
get told off all the time, huh?
हाँ,
So if this is not okay, if this is not okay, and this little thing on the
100
pallu is not okay,
तो तुम्हें शायद नॉर्मल
then I
एम्प्लॉई से
take
ज़्यादा
over
डांट पड़ेगी
and it'll be like, why did you do this? And in front of everyone, it's like, sorry. I'll be more careful that I will.
फरह तालिब अजीज़ जो मुझे याद है बैक व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड आउट क्यों सबको उसका एकदम से पता चला इट स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया अलॉट आई सॉ कॉन्स्टेंट न्यू कलेक्शंस की इमेजेस ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड यू वर लाइक व्हाट इज़ दिस ब्रांड हाउ इज़ दिस ब्रांड ओके यू नो एंड यू केप्ट सीइंग न्यू स्टफ कमिंग आउट ये सोशल मीडिया savviness who was the brains behind this
I actually,
She's the-
I love marketing, and I'm always trying to update myself on different.
you're very good at it huh
And that's what I studied.
oh you've studied marketing
I studied marketing, fashion marketing. So I really enjoy it, and I think it's really nice to keep innovating as well. We used to do a lot of collaborations back in the day. Now I think people might not have the time as much, and they focus on.
No, but you
more
do
big
cool
campaigns.
campaigns. You do great
You know,
campaigns.
and we keep doing it, and I think that oh my god, your entire brain is like empty after design after design, and you're exhausted. But I think that's the fun of it.
You make it fun, मलिहा. आपकी campaigns वाकई मज़ा आता है देखने में ना एक combination होती है लोगों की एक तो बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ होते हैं different ages, different looks, different body
I
types.
feel like Mahita might agree with me here, but we started the whole BTS thing to show what all goes on there.
That's fun.
And then I think that the concept became a
आपको
signature
लगता है social media has helped? मैं तो कह रही हूँ मुझे लगता है कि it helped build mileage. Yeah? आप अब हो गई social media savvy? Are you on Instagram now and are you like clicking away at reels?
My mom watches them, but she likes watching WhatsApp news. She's like, did you see yesterday? This happened in this place in Pakistan. I'm like, no. We have different content.
नहीं वो भी
Right.
देखना चाहिए जो पाकिस्तान में आजकल हो रहा है।
Yeah. So my mom is more.
Yeah, different apps really, different generations, different apps. Thank you so much.